morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Myself, Gayatri Agarwal from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan, welcomes you for the session of our chapter number 8, that is Riya reached uncle's home. In our last two chapters, we are learning about Riya's journey. Right? In that we have also learnt how Riya came to know about lots of facilities on the railway station. Right? And she also came to know what is a junction. She also came to know about many bridges which came across her journey. Today, in this chapter, we will see that Riya has finally reached to her uncle's home, and let us see what we have in this chapter. Okay, so let us start it now. After a long journey by train, we reached Vapi. Mama's home is nearby the station, so he came to pick us up. Shril and Arnav also came with Mama. They are Mama's children. They are very happy to see me and Himaksh. We hugged each other. As it happens, when we go for a vacation to our uncle's home, their children, when they meet us, they feel very happy. And due to excitement, we all hug each other very tightly. The same happened with Himaksh and Riya. Their cousins Shril and Arnav has come along with their father to receive them on the railway station. Right? And Riya's mama's home is also nearby the station. We hired 2 auto rickshaws from the station to reach Mama's home. I was feeling very sleepy. I slept. After some time, mother woke me up. Parents took bath and got ready. Himaksh and I also took bath and got ready. Thereafter, we sat together and had our meal. Mama said, "Take rest for some time, then we will go to Daman." Wow! Daman is our mini Goa, as we are Surtes, and Daman is near to our city. Right, but due to lockdown, we missed this fun, isn't it? Yes. So, let us continue with our topic. Riya's mama, he hired 2 auto rickshaws for them to reach Mama's home from station. Why 2 auto rickshaws? Because there were 3 elders and 4 children along with some luggage. Therefore, it was not able for them to adjust in one auto rickshaw, and they hired 2 auto rickshaws to reach Mama's home safely. And after coming from home, Riya felt sleepy and she slept. After some time, Riya's mother, she told Riya to get up and have a bath. Everybody, they have come from a long journey. They were in train in the night and therefore they were very tired. And after we take bath, what happens? We feel fresh. All our tiredness go away. Therefore, Riya, Himaksh and their parents, they all took bath and got ready. After the bath, they had their meal. And Mama said that now you have to take rest for some time and then Mama will take them to Daman. We got ready to go to Daman. Mama's family was also going to come with us. We reached bus station by auto rickshaw. From there, by bus, we reached at Jampur beach of Daman. Wow, they are going to Jampur beach. But let us see how they travelled from Vapi to Daman. So, from Vapi, that is the Mama's home, again they hired the auto rickshaws to reach the bus stand. And from the bus station, they reached to Jampur beach of Daman. So, how many vehicles did Riya travel in? Riya travelled by auto rickshaw, she travelled by train, and she also travelled by bus. Finally, Riya reaches Daman with her family and with her mama's family. There was a crowd on the beach. People had come for fun at seashore. Some people were sailing around the sea in the boat. Some were riding on the horse and some were on the camel. Can you see how much crowd is there on the seashore? Right. Can you see people sitting while taking their umbrellas? Some people are sailing, some people are enjoying the rides on the camel, on the horses, right? Hot air balloon rides. So many people were there on the beach and they were all enjoying themselves in one or the another way. Little children were making sand house at seashore. I really enjoyed by seeing all this. Himaksh, Shril, Arnav and I also sat down to make sand house. We enjoyed a lot playing in sand. Isn't it fun to play in sand and make sand castles? Whenever we all go to a beach, this is the very first thing which we do. Play in the sand. And we all love playing in the sand by making sand castles, by hiding our feet in the sand. Right? We play different kinds of game in sand. Sometimes we also play volleyball, football type of games. Meanwhile, Mama bought tickets for the boat. We sailed across the sea in the boat. First, I was afraid to get in the boat. I sat next to my mother. We enjoyed boating in the sea. After that, we went for a horse and camel riding. Later, we had our snacks by the seashore. So, what all Riya did at the shore? While Riya, Himaksh, Shril and Arnav, they were busy playing with the sand, Mama brought tickets for the boat and they sailed across the sea in the boat. You know, when Riya, she was riding the boat, she held her mother's hand to get into the boat, but she was very much afraid. She thought that she might fall into the sea water and therefore she was afraid of it. Therefore, she held mother's hand very tightly while getting Riya held her mother's hand while getting into the boat and also she sat beside her mother. But as the journey from the boat started, Riya felt enjoying. So, in the starting, when we sit in the boat shakes while we load into the boat. Right? And therefore, we get afraid a little. We get scared a little. And the same thing happened with Riya. Then they ride on the horse. Then they ride in the buggy. Then they ride on a camel. After that, they had their snacks on the shore. What all kinds of snacks do we have at the shore? We bring some snacks from our home. We eat bhel, pani puri and sev puri. We had ice creams. We have sweet corns and many other items which we get on the seashore. We eat there. Even while we go to our Dumas beach, which is very much near to us, even when we go to Dumas, we have some special spots, right, where we have our snacks. In the same way, Riya, Arnav, Shril and Himaksh, along with their parents, they had some snacks at the seashore and they all enjoyed their ride in the boat, horse and on camel. Now it was evening. It seemed as if the sun was sinking in the sea water. The sky was looking colorful. We took photographs and videos at seashore. it was dark. We came back to Mama's house. It was becoming dark. In the evening, how was the seashore looking? It was looking very colorful. The sun was sinking into the sea. How does it felt? As if the sun is sinking into the sea, and the colorful atmosphere on the beach was looking so beautiful that Riya took some photographs and videos at the seashore. Why did Riya took the photographs and the videos? Because she wanted to share this experience of her journey with her friend Jia, who was not able to come due to her illness. Right? You know, children, Riya also learnt how to read the railway ticket. What all important things are there on the railway ticket? Whenever we buy a railway ticket, we should keep that in mind that these are some important things which we should note down while we take a railway ticket. Let us see what is it. Come on. This is a railway ticket. Okay. Where this is a PNR number. Right. Then this is the date when you have booked the ticket. This is the destination from where you are starting your journey till where. So what is it written here? It is written Bandra Terminus Ratlam Junction. This is 2A. What does this mean? 2A means second AC. What does that mean? It means that your ticket is booked in second class of AC compartment, and your journey will start from Bandra terminus to Ratlam Junction. What else is recorded here? Here your amount of ticket is recorded. The amount for this ticket is 2578. That is 2578. There are some more things which is there on this ticket. That is how many adults and how many children are there. So this is what the number of adult, that is 2, and this is the number of children, that is 1. Okay. So what else is given? See here. Can you see? Male, female, this one. This is the age of the passenger. This is the gender of the passenger. And this is the seat number. This is the bogie number. And this is the position of the seat. Lower berth, side lower, and upper berth. Okay. In this way, the different things are there on the train ticket. The next thing which we have to learn in this train ticket is that we have the boarding time and boarding date of the journey. Okay. So this all things we have to check on our train ticket. Let us now learn about the railway timetable. So what is a railway timetable? Railway timetable shows us the starting station of that train and the last station of that train. This is the timetable of the train from which the Riya was travelling, the Kutch Express. The starting station of the Kutch Express was Bhuj and the last station was Vapi. Right. Then the arrival time and departure time of the train is given. The arrival means at what time the train arrives at the station and what time the train departs from the station. Then we have got the halt time. Halt time means every train has some different timings to stop at some stations. For example, this train, this Kutch Express, it stops for 20 minutes at Gandhidham station and it stops for 25 minutes at Ahmedabad station. Then the distance of the stations is given and in how many days we are going to reach on the following station. In this way, Riya had learnt in this journey about the railway ticket and also how to read the railway timetable. See children, whenever we go on a journey, we can learn many things if we want to, like Riya learnt. Okay. Every journey teaches us many new things. So in this way, Riya's long journey was very much interesting and memorable. So here we end our chapter. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video.